Hi, it's Mandy with Crafty Glam. I am playing around with the I Don't Do Mornings transfer from Chalk Couture, and we're going to use this cute little rooster and place it in the bottom corner of this chalkboard tray that I got from my dining table. I'm using a small squeegee to apply the white Chalkology paste over the silkscreen area. Simply peel it back and ta-da! I did wash off that paste real quick. I'm blow drying it to get it nice and dry, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on a tea towel and use some Couture inks. I love that we have both paste and ink and can pretty much use it on any surface. I'm getting it all set up and placing it onto our ink mat. This just holds the towel in place and so it doesn't go through. I'm using the color Tide in our Couture inks, just applying again the same process, put it over the silkscreen area, peel it back, and ta-da! Now all we need to do is heat set it. You can either use an iron for 4 minutes, or if you have like a heat press or an easy press, I'm using an easy press. I have it set at 305 for 30 seconds. Just gonna put some parchment paper down, turn that on, and ta-da! Let me show you guys. This is how it looks in my dining room and in my kitchen. Let me know what you think.